Hello everyone, hope you all are safe, healthy and happy, and welcome back to my channel Sada's Green Life. Today I'm going to be taking you all along with me to PFA. PFA is Animal Shelter. Now what is PFA? PFA is basically an organization called People for Animals, and what they do is they rescue animals like cats, dogs, cows, buffaloes, even birds. So we are now going to the shelter. Let's see how it goes. I'm really excited. I really love visiting such shelters that work selflessly for animals and all. So let's go.
They manage practically all the cases that come in here.
Okay.
So we do multiple things. We do rescue, we do emergency rescues, we do ABC, which is the neutering of the dogs.
Okay.
Here, this is typically a shelter for animals that need
Medical assistance, sick or accident cases, all that kinds of animals, they come here for treatment. They keep them here in the shelter. If they think that it is not possible for them to release them back in, in the probably the environment which is outside, they stay here. And if they are fit, if they get treated, they go back to where they came from. Right?
That's absolutely
Yes.
right. We also have a separate wing for the ABC, as we call it, birth control.
Yeah, so ABC is basically
Animal birth.
So it is very important that the dogs and cats that are called as strays. I don't like calling them strays because they are actually community animals. They also belong to wherever, like cities or wherever we live. They belong to that place as much as we humans do. They need to be sterilized so that the population remains under control, and they do this selflessly. They do this just with the support of their donors and right. So the link to this place and everything will be in the description. If you all also want to donate and help this beautiful cause and extend your compassion from humans to other species that also require our kindness, please do consider donating to such places because they really need your help. And now let's take a round and see how they are the in-house veterinarians because it is very important. I have had plans of opening an animal shelter for a longest time, and the only thing that holds me back is the fact that the actual people who work behind it. Opening a certain thing is easier, but people who work behind that places. So hats off, you all are doing a wonderful job.
Absolutely.
It's a very unconditional service that is being given to the lesser fortunate ones.
Yeah, because I must mention here that even through the COVID situation, there was not a single day when animals were not treated here.
Yeah.
And that's only possible because of a team like this. I mean, I
Yes.
don't think any of them ever thought about their own health or what they're exposing themselves to, because the primary concern here was treating the animals that are coming in.
Let's just take a round and see.
The area for puppies.
Okay.
So we keep rescue puppies.
Oh. And some of them might just stay here, no?
Yeah, we have a lot of cases where they are paralyzed.
Oh my god. Why is he shivering?
They're paralyzed puppies.
Yeah, there's some pigeons also that I can see.
Yeah, we have pigeons, we have cats on this side. Kittens. I think you're a cat person, Sada. I saw a lot of cats.
I'm an
here.
animal person.
Here we have like a mix of dogs, some that are undergoing treatment, some that are old which cannot be released.
Some old dogs, some blind
Yeah,
dogs.
some
that we
blind
can we
dogs.
see some blind so that
Sure.
So that grizzly is blind. Yeah, she's named Grizzly because she looks like a grizzly bear.
hello.
Just have to be a little careful.
Oh,
Some of them just in fear. maybe,
yeah. Grizzly, Grizzly.
She doesn't like going out for a walk or
Oh,
scared to come out.
so that's a blind dog, and very scared, very timid. Doesn't like going out. So I feel like every single not just healthy dogs, not just healthy, every single being that is born on this earth, they deserve a chance to live, a fair chance to live. And nothing but prayers that I can.
We have a piglet.
I want to see a pig. Yeah.
We have a kite.
I would love to see
We
that.
have a monkey.
Ah.
Yeah, so we just any animal. I mean, any kind.
Exactly,
absolutely
that is the thing. They all are sentient beings, and they all need, the same kind of compassion. So it takes a little while, but it's okay.
We have
Oh,
a pig. He had an open wound.
okay,
He's been treated. Sorry, she's been treated. So she'll be released very soon.
okay.
That little piglet was rescued. In most of the areas, what happens is when the pigs grow up, they're sent to slaughterhouses. So this one was rescued. We don't want to release her out, but look for a farm or somewhere where at least she'll have some free space and a life. Because otherwise,
I know, like yesterday I was going to a studio and I saw a couple of, pigs there, and I was actually, this thought came to my mind, like what happens to them, Are they just flicked and, taken? So, and what about her? She will be released.
she will be released because she's now grown up. We can't even keep her. Keeping them here is also
not
the right
fair.
thing to do.
Hey baby! Hey baby! Hello! Oi! Scared?
Yeah, not friendly.
Not
They're
friendly?
all very timid because they come up from the streets, right, where they don't have human interaction.
Interaction happening, I
So
know.
it's self-defense is what they are born with. So
Hello baby! Hello! Ajo? I don't even know how to call them. Like we do for
No,
cats.
no, just the way you call dogs.
you just have it's just
Oh,
the intent that matters.
Babu! Babu! Okay, I won't disturb you. You were having your food. Come, eat, mum. Oh, mama! Oh, such a little cute little one. I really, that's always been my dream to have like an open space, and all the animals that I rescue, I want them to be with me. Like it becomes so difficult to let them go back on the streets or
There's one
get.
kite. He can't fly.
I have rescued many kites during Sankranti.
Yeah, the manja.
Yeah, so Sankranti is one festival where a lot of pigeons, kites, birds, especially crows, are found, fallen. Like even in cities like Bombay, we can find them literally everywhere, and the wings are cut. So this is exactly what I say. Humans have made this whole, thing about their own. Like they just think about themselves, whether it is festivals, whether it is just normal being, using leather, it's insane how selfish we've become as species.
So
And
when
we're-
one wants to fly kite, they can use Sada Dhaga.
Sada dhaga, yeah. They don't need, we don't really need to use that glass coated manja. Normal threads will not cut or slit. It's risky for humans also. Forget about.
And the Indian manja, it wears over time, but the Chinese manja, it lasts for at least
Yeah,
5,000 years.
it just stays. So it's not
Common
even
to
good
see
for
birds hanging even now after so many months, almost a year.
Yes,
you
yes,
still
yes.
see birds hanging.
on. Yeah, absolutely. It's. I've had many kites rescued. This thing.
All of that area is where all the dogs that come in for the neutering
Neutering operations.
operation. So
You only do dogs, you don't do cats?
we don't do cats at the moment because
Okay.
surgery for cats is a little more.
So that is a surgery ward for sterilization, as in getting them neutered, so that they don't make more babies and the population is under control. So one pair of dogs can give
2,000 dogs.
2,000 dogs in their lifetime. So it's very important to get them neutered. That's how the cruelty also decreases towards them, because the number of if the number of dogs keep exceeding, not everybody is compassionate and they think it's a nuisance, so they either poison them, or there are a lot of things that happen to community animals. So it's very important to get them spayed and neutered. Do you all also, like, if there is somebody who in their area wants to get them neutered, you all do, like, if they call you?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so if in your areas, if you think there are a lot of dogs that are not neutered or spayed, how will you know, like, their ear is clipped, there is a little cut that you will see on the ear. That means they are neutered. If you see that many dogs and they are lactating and giving birth every now and then, you can get in touch with them. The number will also be there in the description. They will send a van to get them sterilized. So it will be so much nicer even for the dogs to live a healthy life, like in the future, and even for the residents in the area who might not be okay with having too many dogs.
Okay, the calf is on the other side.
Come, let's go. The calf is not getting up, so we will go to her. Oh, Star! What's that red thing? Blood? What happened? What happened? Why is so using?
Sorry? He was running around.
He's absolutely fine.
He's fine.
Sometimes
Fine,
he does
no?
not like that.
Yeah, he's absolutely
Mama.
fine.
No,
He's
no, get up,
healthy.
no.
We are not making you get up.
He was running so long.
Abhi, so
He
much.
was in absolute flat condition when we found him, when he was rescued.
Okay.
And now he's been treated and he's fit.
It was an accident case. Male calf.
Yeah, male.
So when we consume dairy, this is what we do to cows and their calves. Male calves are generally discarded because they're of no use to dairy, and they're very young when they can't even fend for themselves, and they're left in the cities to die. Either they meet with an accident, so he's an accident case. So either they die of hunger, starvation, or they or probably somebody might take them for
Ultimately,
for beef. So beef is dairy, in short. It's like there is no difference between.
just to give you an idea, he was just lying.
Oh, ala dorkindanta. What have you named him? अच्छा नाम रखेंगे इसको.
So why don't you give
Well,
him a
you name it.
Sada?
What do I name him? Oro. Oro, with a beautiful aura. With a beautiful aura. Oro. Do you like the name?
He loves the attention you give him.
Badmash, what a nautanki, or get up! Get up! Beaten up me in acting. Okay, bye, Oro.
ये देखो.
Arre, nautanki! 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 Nobody's making you get up. Chill. Relax.
The monkey lives with me.
Oh!
So we take care.
The monkey lives with her, it seems. We are going to meet that monkey.
The mother was electrocuted.
Oh my goodness.
She was found with the mother, so we couldn't save the mother. We have a lot of electrocution cases with monkeys.
how?
Because the monkeys, see, with the trees and the forests and all coming down, they're moving towards the city.
Cities.
ये उसका safe spot है.
Safe spotted.
So she lies down on that and goes to sleep.
Oh, okay. Rani. So basically, the mother died with electrocution, and that's what she said. Because forest, Mananta forest, we are just bringing them down left, right, and center. So that all these wild animals, they have nowhere to go. They start coming in the cities. If you see cheetahs and all that, these cases that we come across, they come to the cities because we are taking over their space, habitat.
So we are going into forest. They are not coming.
Yeah, they are coming in the cities. Ole Rani, hi. Are you scared? So Rani stays with Sumita, and She literally considers her as her mother. Oh, she's scared. She's scared. Let her go inside. She's very scared.
Just hold on to that.
Oh,
And
okay.
that's it.
Sorry, Babu, to put you in stress. So sorry. Rani? Oh, so sweet, yaar.
And then to rehab them, it's very difficult.
Yeah,
Unless
I
they're
don't-
females, Congress will not adopt. If it's a male, they usually kill
So
them.
what will you do with
So we find them semi-support locations like temples. You know, especially South Indian
And you will let her
temples.
go?
We have to let her go. I mean, every time I get a monkey and I release, it's like a heartache. But then their life is out there.
Yes, they also get attached, no?
They do.
Eventually.
So what we normally do is like when they come to me, I don't. Once they're a little grown up,
Then you start
I start
disconnecting.
distancing myself with them. Then I take them to areas where they can climb trees and do all of that, though on a long leash. So
Yeah,
then they become
so get
used to their
used to
natural
it, yeah.
environment. And like last month, we had a monkey whose one arm had to be amputated because he was electrocuted.
Oh,
So he was with me for about 2 months and then we released him. So we released him in a temple property. So there is one Hanuman temple where people come to feed monkeys.
acha.
It's about 120 odd kilometers from
So
Hyderabad.
at least there is somebody
Yeah.
like human
Yeah.
in this thing.
So we keep track and we know that he's being fed and he's being taken care of. So at least that kind of an environment is provided.
Provided.
Because too much of keeping them at home again is not
It's not
natural
right. It's not
for
natural
them.
and good for them.
There's no
Nothing.
flight feathers, nothing.
So you fed him also?
Yes,
What did you?
absolutely. So, see, typically parakeets live on fruits.
Ah, Chonu, no, Babu, Babu, Chonu.
No, you don't taste of sunflower.
Yeah, I don't taste of sunflower. Hello. So he can't fly.
He's learning how to fly. We'll release him soon.
Acha.
He's just.
How long has he been with you?
He's been with me for almost 4 months now.
Oh,
He was very little when
so
he came.
sweet, the
with
way
hardly
he's-
any feathers.
biting also so gently.
He's used to being at home. He's free at home,
Okay.
not in the cage, because that's when then they can really learn to fly and things like that.
Yeah. He will be released back. He will not be in the cage. He's only here for some treatment and, once he is able to fly, he will be released back. Released back. Totaram.
Rani is.
Totaram. Only Bela Babu. Only Chona. Ocho, Ocho. Acha, now you can't keep cracking my nail, huh? You can't do that. No matter how much you love birds, please don't put them in cage. If you love birds, let them,
Set them free.
Yeah, let them be free. Let them fly. Just see them from distance and admire them.
This is Bhola.
Bola Babu!
We had actually given him up for adoption at a farm. Where they could be free. But then when we went back, so typically after adoptions, we go back and check.
Correct,
We do a
that's how-
post-adoption check. So we went back and checked. They were kept in very bad condition.
So you got
So
it.
we got them back.
Where's the other one?
The other one is at home. He's a little unwell.
Unwell.
So I had to.
It doesn't look real. It looks like a soft toy.
Yeah! Look at the eyes. Bola Jam.
Thank God my daughter's not here.
Bola, I should have taken him.
अरे जो भी दिखा एवरी एनिमल चीजें घर ले जाएंगे घर ले
मेरा भी
जाएंगे
ऐसे ही था एक
हम लोग
पॉइंट
सब ऐसे
मैंने
ही थे बचपन में, इसीलिए
बहुत
तो आज यहाँ पे हैं.
So this was a visit to PFA and I'm so glad I came here because the kind of selfless work these people are doing, they are managing all the work like be it sterilization, rescues, treatment, operations, everything by their few kind-hearted souls that donate amounts every now and then. But I would really appreciate if you all really love me and if you all think that this is a good thing to support and give a little more value to the money, please do consider donating for them because they really require it. All the links to PFA and how to donate them and everything will be in the description box. And there is one more such organization called Animal Warriors Conservation Society. They are so much into rescuing all kinds of animals, dogs, cats, pigs, cows, buffaloes, kites, wild animals, snakes, anything, you name it, and they rescue them. So if you ever find any animal in distress anywhere in the city, in Hyderabad, Secunderabad, you just have to report that case to these people. They will come, they will rescue the animal, they will take them for treatment. All you have to do is just report. Do not let that animal die in pain and in distress all by itself in a city. So please do that much. It will be a big help. Even Animal Conservation Society, Animal Warrior Conservation Society's number is in the description box. So if you ever see anybody in distress, please do report the case to them and consider donating, because they all work. They are all volunteers. They literally do this as a passion for animals, and it's all because of the compassion they have for all the species. Thank you so much for being here. I shall see you very soon in my next one. Until then, stay safe, feel good, and be blessed. Okay, bye.